Hi guys, here's a little blogging tutorial for you. Here we are at the back end, just at the dashboard. Even when you're signed in and you're on the front end, you've still got your toolbar here. So I always do it from the back end. New post. There's your title. I suggest you write your blog posts on a plain text editor like Notepad. And then copy and paste it in, and then you've got a hard copy on your computer somewhere in case, sometimes on a long blog post you forget to save it or something happens, it doesn't save right. I hate typing out a 300-word blog post and having it disappear. So type it out in plain text editor first, copy and paste it into here. Works a lot better. We're not really using categories yet, but I would still assign a category of yoga or Pilates. You can add new categories, and at a certain point you can have people sort your posts by category or search categories for certain blog posts. So that's something, sort of future-proofing that a little bit. On your blog posts, you always want to allow comments. I forgot to mention that if you're adding new pages, always take the allow comments off because we don't really need people to comment on a page. But you want to encourage discussion on your blog posts. Your SEO information is at the bottom of every page. You don't necessarily need to do this for blog posts, but it doesn't hurt if you're trying to attract a certain keyword. You can give it a title that will attract attention and description. You never need to put keywords in here. Google ignores the keywords that you set anyway. And so yeah, you can add a photo. I showed you that in another video. You can add a form. I'm not going to give you a form tutorial just call me or email me and I'll build you a new form. You probably won't need too many new forms, I don't think, but that's the online form. Maybe I should give you a tutorial on that in the next one. Actually, we're done with this one, so I'll show you how to modify forms as well in just a moment. So yeah, I think that's everything you need. Just keep in mind, the headings always come up in the orange titles, so give it a heading, only one heading 1, and make that the most important one, but they're all the same size and the same color, so just for ones that you want to give that heading styling to, just give it any one of these 6 headings. Okay, and once you've done that, you just click publish. Oh, and if you want, you can choose to backdate it to 2 months ago, if this is recovering an old blog post that's been missing or something, or you can write a month's worth of blog posts all at once and tell it here when to publish them, and it'll publish them right to the minute of when you instruct it to. Pretty cool, right? Okay, forms. Let's have a quick look at forms. It's on the left hand side here where it says forms. There we are. So just click on the word forms. These are the 3 forms that you have. Let's look at the Pilates teacher training application form. So these are all the different sections here. On this side you have all the different things you can pop in there. So a single line of text, a drop down menu, radio buttons, things that people can check, 1, 2, 3, 5 kind of thing. And then there's advanced fields that are specifically for names, dates, phone numbers, things like that. So this is the form as it appears. Go right to the bottom. So this is a paragraph one, just paragraph text, so anywhere you want people to write stuff. And once you have that, you can press edit. You can change the field label, which is please add anything else you would like us to know. You can make this required or not. And in advanced, you can make it a medium or a small box. I tend to make them all small boxes. And yeah, once you've done that, then just press. I think there's a save button here somewhere. Okay, so at the bottom of the form, let's just add one more. I'll show you how to add. You just come here and say you want a checkbox area. Just click the box. It'll pop up in the bottom here. First choice, second choice, third choice. You give it a name. What do you like? and give the first choice being, who knows, red, second choice being bananas, and third choice being third choice, whatever, doesn't matter. And I just discovered this all saves automatically, so you don't have to worry about it. Close, and sometimes you have to click outside, it's a bit funky. And then if you want to, you could just move it by dragging it, so they'll go wherever you want. We don't really need that one, so we can delete it. Come on, there we go. Yes, delete that. Okay, and there's your forms. So have fun, and I think that's about all you need to know for now. Talk to you soon.